Introducing the new Solid Edge Midpoint Snap feature on surface edges. In the past, only the beginning and ends of the surface edge would provide snap points. This was all that was necessary in most cases, but occasionally the midpoint would be needed. Without this snap point, you would need to do a little extra work to extract the edge from the surface and use the center of the resulting line. Here you can see the extra steps where you would need to extract the edge from the surface to create wireframe to generate that midpoint. Now, with the midpoint available, it's easier than ever to snap geometry right to where you need it.